Hey guys, welcome to this video on installing the incredible XLCS Designs cage with the Nikon ZR into CineBack. This allows you to take this excellent cage and mount it into the camera using a bolt down or a quick release setup like this one to be able to instantly get the camera out of the CineBack, go out, shoot, use gimbals, take stills, whatever you got to do. And when you're ready for all day power and a ton of mounting points, you can simply reinstall and either use a bolt down configuration or our toolless quick release knobs to go ahead and lock the camera down so you're ready to go out and film with a super rigid, ridiculously armored setup. This cage requires the Nikon ZR CineBack, of course, but it also requires a custom kit to get to work because of the unique nature of this cage. So let's go ahead and put everything together and get CineBack ready. So you'll notice on CineBack I already have the 5mm spacer installed on the inside of the top plate of CineBack, and then on the bottom for this setup I'm using a quick release, the Falcam, which we sell on the store, and I've got the plate attached to the bottom of the cage already. So this is one option, is to use the quick release. You can also just use spacers here, specifically an 8mm and 11mm spacer, and if you stack them on top of each other like this, you'll install them on the inside bottom plate of CineBack, and you're going to use 4 5/8 socket screws in the 4 corners just like that to install it. And you'll just line these slots up with the inside slots of CineBack. So that would go right where this quick release is, but in this video we're going to use the quick release. Once you have all that set up, we can set the camera aside and flip CineBack upside down. We're going to remove this bottom plate and insert a spacer here to make room for this monstrous cage. So remove these 3 screws on the bottom back of CineBack. From there we're going to install this spacer plate. So there's 3 little inserts that match into the bottom of the plate, so it kind of locks in place and you can see all those holes line up. Now if you're not using the Pro Base, go ahead and reinstall the cheese plate right here, but if you are going to install the Pro Base, which gives you 15mm rods and HDMI pass-through, this will then stack on top of that and it locks also in place. Then you would add the cheese plate on the very bottom for that setup. For this video, we're going to stick with just the non-Pro Base or standard edition. So we'll go ahead and install our insert or spacer. Then we'll go ahead and grab our cheese plate and reinstall it. And there's 2 positions, the front position and the rear position. We're going to install it in the rear position. Go ahead and grab 3 5/8 socket screws and go ahead and install them to mount the cheese plate to the body of CineBack. And at last, we're ready to turn our attention to the bottom of the camera cage. So here I've added the quick release with a single 1/4-20 mounting point. I'll go ahead and unlock or open up the camera screen and insert the camera into CineBack. Close the camera screen. Now we can check the hole spacing at the top. If it's too far forward, like you see here, that means we need to adjust the plate that's attached to the camera cage forward or back to get those holes to align up. So I've made some adjustments, so I'll go ahead and reinsert the camera into CineBack, and that looks much better. Those holes are now aligned with those 2 mounting points. So now we have a couple options. I can just screw in 2 bolts, specifically 2 1/2-inch socket screws. I've added 1 here, and you can see that gives us a nice flat top to the whole setup, but it's going to require a tool to remove the camera, and we have a quick release. So another option is to build some quick release knobs. These allow us to toollessly tighten down the camera cage. The only downside is it leaves kind of a high point on the top, so I won't be able to put a handle right here, but I could mount it maybe here or here on the cage, or even on the front if I wanted to. But the nice thing with the quick release knobs is when you're ready to put your camera gear away, or you want to go shoot some stills or use a gimbal, you can go ahead and instantly remove the camera, go out and shoot, do what you got to do. When you're ready for all day power and CineBack mounting options, simply flip the camera screen open and reattach the camera cage, close it into place, grab your quick release knobs, and toollessly lock the camera back down in place, and you're off to the races. So that's the nice thing about the quick release knobs. They're just super duper easy, and here's how to build them. Start by grabbing two 5/8 socket screws. To create a knob, simply take the screw, insert the little knurled cap like you see here. You may have to take a hammer or a screwdriver and bang it down onto the screw, and you can also use a little bit of super glue to keep it in place. Next, find the tiny little threaded collar and find the textured side like you see here, and that is going to face down. So flip it over and insert your screw, thread it on. Again, you could use a dab of super glue to keep it in place, and now you have a knob. And that is how to install one of the coolest cages ever made into CineBack for the Nikon ZR. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys over at camerafoundry.com.